Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some really good deals. Y'all know how I do. I don't waste any time around here, so let's jump right into them. The local Hive Honey Hot Sauce is on sale 2 for $6, so they're $3 each. On your Merrifield app, we have a dollar back. That'll bring them down to $2 for one. And then on Ibotta, we have another dollar back there. That'll give you $2 in cashback savings, making the final cost for one of these just $1. The Hot Ones hot sauce is on sale for $4.99. We still have this rebate on Fetch Rewards where you got $5 back when you pick up 2 of the North Sides and 1 of those. So with this rebate, you only need to pay for 2 of the North Sides, so that'll be like $2.80, and then you would get the hot sauce for free. So not bad at all for all 3 products. This moneymaker that we had on the Dave's Killer Bread snack bites are back. So this is buy one get one for $6.49. You want to pick up 2 of these for $6.49 and then use your $2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $4.49 at the register. Then we're going to submit over to Ibotta, because on Ibotta we have $2.50 back on each one. That'll already make them a 51-cent moneymaker. But then you also want to check Fetch Rewards to see if you have this rebate right here back, giving back another $2.80. So that'll make them completely free, plus a $3 moneymaker after Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, and your $2 digital. If you need some Nabisco products, definitely check the BOGOs and your Ibotta rebates over in this section. We have some good matchups. So like the Oreos are $5.29 BOGO. On Ibotta, we have 75 cents back on each one of these. So that'll make final costs on these just $1.89 per pack, which is a great price, especially because the sale does include the family size packs. The Nutter Butters are also buy one get one. I feel like we don't get a lot of deals on these. These are buy one get one for $6.19. So you could pick up 2 of these for $6.19 and then submit over to Ibotta for $1 back on these. That'll make it $4.19 for 2 of these, or like $2 a pack. Not bad at all for the family size. The Cheez-Its are on sale buy one get one this week, so you could pick up 2 of these for $4.02. Buy one get one. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon that'll leave your final cost at $3.02 for 2 boxes, making them $1.51 per box. If you need mayo, this is a good week to grab it, because now we have 2 different digital coupons. So we have the 3 off of 10 still. Let me focus in my camera. Hold on. So we have the 3 off of 10 still, and then we also have the $2 off 1 digital coupon. So we have a total of $5 in savings. And if your store is on the old system, what you could do is pick up 2 of these that are priced at $7.75. You can get any variety that you want. Of course, you don't have to pick up that light, but 2 of these at $7.75 would be enough on the old system for both of those digital coupons to come off. So you would save $5 total. So you'd pay $7.75, but after the $5 in savings, it'll be $2.75 for both of these. This week, the Angel Soft is on sale. These are the mega packs. You can get the 8 equals 32 or the 6 mega XL. These are on sale for $5.50, and we do have $1.50 printable coupons for these. So after this coupon, you'll pay just $4 at the register. Now we're going to do some threshold deals. If you still have your 5 off of 20 threshold coupons, you can do these deals that I'm about to do. So the first one is using that 5 off of 20 Oscar Mayer coupon. If you only have 1 account, you've probably already used that, but since I do have multiple accounts, I still have some left. So with this deal, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 3 participating Oscar Mayer products. Now, of course, this is a half BOGO breakdown. And before I give you the half BOGO breakdown, of course, my Florida people, you would buy your items in even numbers. So like, for example, if you want to do this deal, you can just pick up 2 packs of bacon. My bacon is priced at $9.33, but most likely your bacon is probably priced at $10. So if you're on an old system, you would just need to pick up 2 of the $10 packs of bacon, and that would be $20. You're only going to pay half of that since they're buy one get one. That brings you down to 10. Use that 5 off of 20 digital coupon. It'll be $5 for 2 packs of bacon. I need a kind of mixture of things that are buy one get one, so I'm going to get one of these P3 packs. I'm also going to get one of the packs of bacon, and I'm also going to get the Heinz that is buy one get one for $5.99. So this is my complete spend 20 deal. This totals up to $20.90 before the sale. I am only going to pay half of that, and this is a half BOGO breakdown. So that'll put me at 1045 minus that 5 off of 20. I'll be at 545 for these items right here. So I'll get the pack of bacon, the ketchup, and the 2 protein packs for $5. That'll make each one of these items just $1.36. Yes, y'all. And then we still have that digital coupon for 5 off of 20 that was good on the Capri Suns that we grabbed last week. It's good on some various products, but since I have some of those left, I'm going to grab some Lunchables this week. These are priced at $2.51. So 8 of these Lunchables is going to put me at that $20 mark. So when we do $2.51 times 8, that is going to put us at $20.08. Perfect total for that 5 off of 20. So we're only going to pay half of that. Let me focus in. After the buy one get one sale, so that'll put us at 1004 minus that $5 coupon. It'll be 504 for 8 packs of these. That makes final cost on these just 63 cents per Lunchable. This next deal I'm not grabbing, but it's a good deal if you need it on the Zoop bone broth. These are buy one get one for $6.99. Pick up 2 and then submit over to Fetch for $1 back on each. Makes final cost just $2.49 a piece. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Jose Olay, and this is a deal that you want to do by Friday because we're using 2 $1 coupons in the extra savings flyer for these. So these are buy one get one for $7.59. We're going to use 2 of those coupons, and at the register we're going to have to pay out $5.59, but then we're going to get back $1.50 total from Ibotta, making final cost $4.09 for 2, or making these $2.05 each. We have lots of BOGOs this week in the meat department, so if you need meat, this is a good week to get it. The Just Bare products are BOGO, so there is Just Bare chicken drumsticks and thighs that are BOGO for $5.50 per pound. That's a good price. And the Farmer's Focus party chicken wings are also buy one get one as well. So the prices are actually pretty good on those because some of these packs are only like $6.36 a pack. So you're only going to pay half price for those. Not bad. And then we also have BOGOs on the ribs if you need these. The baby back and the St. Louis style ribs are buy one get one this week. The silk products are on sale 2 for $6, and in front of the product we do have a 2 off of 2 Blinky coupon if your store has these. So that makes these just $2 a piece if you need them. The Danimals 12-pack smoothies are on sale buy one get one for $5.93. If you pick up 2 of them in Florida and use this $1.50 digital coupon, it'll make final cost on these $2.21 each, or $4.43 for both, which is not bad for the 12 packs. And if you're in a half BOGO state, you can just pick up one of these. Final cost will be like $1.50 for one, which is an even better price. These Yoplait 8 packs are buy one get one for $6.39. You can pick up 2 of these and then use your $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. Then you want to submit over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each one. Makes final cost for these $3.89 for 2, or $1.94 each. So now let's talk about the Dove deals for this week. So I already posted this deal on my other socials, on Instagram, on TikTok. Hopefully you guys are following me on those places because I think I'm going to start doing that more. Try to post an earlier short form video with whatever the super hot deals are for the week for Publix for those who need to get to the store really fast. So this week, the Dove products are spend 20. Either you're going to save $10 instantly if you're at self-checkout, or if you're at a store like mine's that allows you just to save the $10, or you can also get back a $10 Publix gift card. The preference, of course, is to save that $10 up front because that is going to give you that lower out of pocket. Now, I already did this deal, so I can tell you exactly how it worked out. And I decided to focus in on the body wash that's on sale for $7.99. But you don't have to focus in on that body wash. You can buy your items in denominations of $20, and you can get the Dove bars down here that are $9.49. You could also get some of the Dove men's products. These are included as well. I didn't need those. And some of the Dove deodorants are also included in this promotion. So you could grab those if you want those Dove deodorants. Now, what I did is I actually picked up a total of 4 of these body washes, the 20-ounce bottles for $7.99. Now, the big bottles are also included in this promotion if you want to work out something with that, but I just decided to focus on these. Now I'm grabbing 4 of these because I am doing $40 worth of the Dove products so that I can save $20 instead of the $10. But you don't have to get that much. You can just grab $20 worth of products and use your digital coupons and save that $10. Then I'm also going to grab 2 of the hair care products to get me to the $40 mark. This $9 with this right here will get us to $40.96. So this is my complete Dove deal that I'm doing because I want to get stocked up on the body wash. This totals to $40.96. So for these 4 Dove items, I have a 5 off of 3 for Unilever products that's going to come off, and we also have a $2 off 1. So we're going to save $7 for this Dove body wash. Then for the Dove hair care, we have a $2 off 1 digital. I also printed off a $1 printable coupon from the Dove emails. You don't have to have that. It's still a good deal without it. But of course, I wanted to save that extra dollar. So I have $3 in coupons for the Dove hair care. Now this is going to be $10 in savings before we even get to the $20 that we're going to save instantly just for picking up the $40 worth. So after that $20 comes off as well, we're at $10.96 for all 6 of these items. We got 4 bottles of body wash and we got 2 of the shampoo and conditioner. That makes them $1.82 per item, which is a great deal. Now for this transaction, a couple things. I think that you probably want to be on an old register or self-checkout because most of the self-checkouts are still on that old system. Self-checkout would probably also be helpful as well for that $10 automatically coming off versus a cashier who may try to give you that $10 gift card. So with that, I scanned the 2 shampoo first. So scan the 2 shampoo first and then do the other 4 Dove items. That just worked out better for me as far as all of those digital coupons attaching correctly. And if you're going to use that $1 coupon, I would use that at the end. That beeped for me at the register and had to be manually put in, but my store did put it in because they could see I still had room for it because we still have that one product that does not have a coupon attaching to it. But if your store is not, coupon friendly, you can leave that off completely. Now another option for your 5 off of 3 Unilever coupon is the Dove solids that are buy one get one this week. These are $5.99 and we have a couple different coupon options. So you can use the $2 digital if you want to just pick up 1 of these in half BOGO. That'll be $2.99. With that $2 digital, you'll pay just 99 cents for 1. Or you could pick up 3 of them or 4 if you're in Florida and use that $2 digital plus the 5 off of 3. That'll give you $7 in coupon savings when you pick up 4. So you'll pay $12 for 4, but minus your $7, you'll be at $5 for 4. That makes them $1.25 each. So not a bad deal for the Dove either way that you do it. Now, if you are picking up some Dove deodorant, I would not mix it in the same transaction that you are doing the body wash deal, if you're going to do that body wash deal I showed, because that 5 off of 3 digital also attaches to this product. If you want it to attach to the body wash, it could attach to this and kind of throw everything off. So I would just separate those out if you want to do both deals. We have an excellent price on the finished products that are buy one get one this week. So these are buy one get one for $5.99. Pick up 2 of them because in your Publix app we have 2 different digital coupons that are going to apply for $2 off 1 and $1 off 1. So that's going to leave us to pay just $2.99 for 2 of these bags. That makes them $1.49 each. I love this BOGO that we have on the Lysol disinfectant spray. So this is $9.49. These have gotten really pricey. So you want to pick up 2 of these for $9.49. Buy one get one. On your Publix app, we have 2 $1 digital coupons, so that'll leave you to pay $7.49 after these digitals for 2 of these. So that makes final price $7.49 for 2 or just $3.75 per can. The next thing I want to test is this deal on the Airwick. So the Airwick are not on sale. They are regular price at my store for $6.49. But I noticed that we have a buy one get one free digital coupon and we have a buy one get one free printable coupon on coupons.com. Now, if you're on the old system only now, for a while, this has been a long time, when we have two of these buy one get one free coupons, like if we have one paper, one digital, both of them will attach to two items and make both of the products either super cheap or free. Now, I'm not sure that this is going to work. I haven't seen anybody try this, but y'all know I am a trying out queen. I'm going to try it and see. So I'm going to try this out on an old system and just see what happens when we have this buy one get one free digital coupon and that buy one get one free paper coupon from coupons.com, and we're going to see what happens at the register. So in the second transaction I ended up doing, I got everything that you see here except for the Dove, which I already purchased in that first transaction, and I didn't pick up the Finish because I didn't need that. I'm still stocked up from that Sam's Club deal we did, and I did not pick up the Cheez-Its because I already have some of those in my pantry. So after all of the other items, I ended up paying out $32.94. All of my coupons worked perfectly at the register. The Airwick did work at the register. I went to a regular cashier because my store does not have self-checkout. I just handed over my paper coupon first, and after she entered in the paper coupon, I went on ahead and typed in my phone number and pressed enter, and the digital did come off as well. So both of those Airwick were completely free. So after my coupons, I paid out $32.94. I got back a total of $11 from Ibotta. That does include my $3 midweek bonus. And I got back $3.50 from Fetch Rewards. So that made everything in this transaction cost a grand total of $18.44. So when you add that in with the $10.96 that we spent in our first transaction, everything that I picked up at Publix this week was $29.40. And we got over $150 worth of product. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.